Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Go On Guitar. I have a great song for you guys, Farewell. It's a collab with YelaWolf and Struggle Jennings. What an intense and powerful song that is. A great collab there, so let's go into Farewell. You can see here, no need for any cape on this one. We're going clean. We're going to use some bar chords, 4 of them, but that will be still the best scenario considering we have this melody going on. So as a whole, that will be the best way to go through this song here. So let's go into the chords. We're going to start with C minor. Okay, so that's a bar chord where you place the index finger on the 3rd fret and you push down the first 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. Then you need to add 5th on D, 5th on G, and 4th on B. Next chord is the G sharp chord. And that's a bar on the 4th fret, so you push down all strings there with the index finger, and then you need to add 6 on A, 6 on D, and 5th on G. Next is the G minor, so you move the bar 1 fret away from you, so you land on the 3rd fret now with the index finger, and push down all strings there, and then you need to add 5th on A, 5th on D, and 4th on G. And the final chord is the F minor 7. So you place your index finger on the 1st fret, push down all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A. And that's it. So there you have the 4 chords. Now let's go into the main part of the song. That's the melody. It makes up like 90% of the song or so. So let's go through it, and we're gonna start with the first grip here based upon the C minor. I suggest you hold the index finger on the 3rd fret A, your ring finger on the 5th fret D, and then your mid finger on the 4th fret B string. And this 5th fret D with your ring finger, consider that be glued to that fret, exactly that spot through entire melody, because we don't need to let that go. We're gonna work around that finger with the different grips. All right, so that will be with us through entire melody. So the first part sounds like this. Okay, so that is to play 3rd fret on A, 5th D, open G, 4th B, then back to 5th D, and 4th B. So slowly, 1 round goes. Okay, gonna play for 2 rounds, so. Okay, that is the C part. Then comes a little bit tricky A sharp. I'm gonna call it the A sharp part. We haven't gone through the chord as it is. We're not gonna use that grip at all, but this is just the A sharp note there as the bass. So that's the reason for me calling it the A sharp. So we're gonna still keep that 5th fret D string, the ring finger. Now we're gonna go up with the little pinky on the 6th fret E string. Yes, a little bit stretchy, and with that index finger on the 3rd fret B. But if you consider every finger has its own fret, that will be pretty logical to have that stretch. You are crossing 4 frets there with the 4 fingers, so that is the stretch you need to use here for this grip. So yeah, it takes the time to get used to it, but it will come with practice. So this will be the grip, and it sounds like this for 1 round. So for 2 rounds. So you're gonna play the 6th fret E string, and then 5th D, open G, 3rd B, and then back to 5th D and 3rd B. That is 1 round. So 2 rounds of that, and then comes the G sharp part, and you keep that 5th fret D string still there with the ring finger. Now you're gonna go up with the mid finger. I suggest to hold that mid finger on the 4th fret E string and your index on the 4th B. And with that grip, you're gonna play this part, okay? So that is 4th E, 5th D, open G, 4th B, back to 5th D, and 4th B. That is 1 round. And and that is 2. And then you're gonna go back to play this the A sharp part, and you're gonna play it in the same way. So, and you have fulfilled 1 round of that melody. So the chord progression will be the C minor, the A sharp, the G sharp, and back to A sharp. So you see that finger, ring finger on the 5th fret D string is like glue there. So like this, this, and it goes around like that. So 1 round, I'm gonna take down the tempo a little bit for you to understand what's going on. Sounds like this. Just continue with that melody. Okay, beautiful melody there, and that is the biggest part of the song. Now, at 1 minute and 32 seconds in comes Struggling here, and he sings with his little light voice. Yeah, just joking there. Anyway, some powerful voice there. Now let's go into the strumming and the chords. So we're gonna start with C minor. You're gonna play like this. 2 downs first on the standard grip. Then you're gonna reach out, if you want to get the melody, with your little pinky to the 6th fret B string, because you have the note there. So you played it once. So 2 times on the standard C minor, and then 1 down on this grip, and then you go back again to C minor, 2 downs, and reach out again with 1 down to the 6th fret B string. That's the first start of the C minor chord. And then you're going to go up to the G sharp chord, 2 downs. Then 1 down on G minor. And then you repeat that, G sharp. And once you played it 2 times on the G sharp, you're going to give 1 extra down, but now you're going to put your little pinky on the 6th fret B string, because you have the melody there with that note. Okay, so that's the next part. Then you're gonna go over to the F minor chord, but you're also gonna add the 3rd fret E string down, the high E string with your little pinky. So 2 downs on that chord. Then you release the pinky, get just a standard chord with 1 down. And then you put it back again on the 3rd fret E string to get 2 downs, and release it with 1 down. Then you're gonna go back to the G sharp, 2 downs, then 1 down on the G minor, and then 2 downs on the G sharp again, and then an extra down, but now with this added note again on the 6th fret B string. And that is the end of that chord progression. Pretty long one, but that is how 1 round goes with the Struggle singing there. And you're gonna play for 2 rounds. So I'm gonna play it for you. I'm gonna take down the tempo a lot, just very slow, go through this chord progression so you can see, watch for yourself, and listen how it sounds. So it goes like this. That is 1 round. You play for 2 rounds, then you're gonna go back to the main melody and play that till the very end. And that, my friends, is how you handle Farewell with YelaWolf and Struggle Jennings. A great collab, and what a powerful song that is. Hope you enjoyed it, guys, and if you did, please feel free to support me here on Going Guitar. I appreciate that very, very much. Thank you so much, and play tuned.